is the third time I am attempting to film this video. Let's just say I'm sick of seeing these clothes and I'm about to be with them for 12 months, so that's great for me. The first time I filmed this video, the lighting was absolutely shocking. It was so dark I couldn't see anything. The second time I decided let's try it on my phone, and the videos just wouldn't save, they just deleted themselves. So we're back on the trusty GoPro with a new SIM card, full battery life. Hopefully this time should work. Now, let's start from the start. This is my packing for America video. It was highly requested actually. A lot of people asked to see it, so here it is. Yeah, I'm just sick of filming it. And I still have to edit it all, so I get to listen to it again. I'm going to start though. I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to start showing you guys what I'm fitting into a suitcase for 12 months at least. I hope I'm going to be away for 12 months. That's the plan. So I'll start with my shoes. There are still things that I'm missing that I'm using every single day, so please just keep that in mind. So I have my new white Superga shoes. Don't know if that's how you say it. That's how I'm going to say it. I have my white Converse that I'll be wearing on the plane. I'm going to mention I'm taking 2 pairs of dance shoes, a pair of heels and a pair of jazz shoes, just in case an audition comes up or I want to practice in the studio at camp. Some shower shoes, I'm just taking my Havies because I know they're trustworthy and they won't break on me. Some Birkenstocks just for walking around, a white pair and a black pair. These ones are high, these ones are short, as you can see. I'm also taking some running shoes, some joggers, and maybe another pair of flat sandal-y kind of shoes. I'll move on to my swimmers because they're right in front of me. I have this bikini, which is a sunflower pattern. I have this little stripy stringy one. This Luna Jane one, that's like a sports bikini. This one is, once again, just for like tanning. Love the colors of that one. This is my first swimsuit. My second one. My third one. And my fourth one. So they're all the swimmers that I'm taking. I'm expecting I'll probably buy some over there as well, but that's everything for now. I'm just gonna pop these over there. I'm just gonna move into activewear. This is gonna be really random, just whatever piles I have in front of me. Activewear, a lot of it is downstairs in the wash because I've been still going to the gym every day. So I have a pair of shorts, tights, another pair of tights. I also have another plain black pair of Lorna Jane tights that I'm taking with me. Blue, these are inside out. Can't bother to turn them in the right way. Blue shorts. I have another 2 pairs of black shorts that I'm taking. A couple of long sleeve shirts, so a black one, a white wrapped shirt, and a pink one. A little singlet top and a blue one. And then I have a couple of crop tops here. I only have 4, but I will be buying more and getting them out of the wash as well. That's all of the activewear that I'm taking. Not very much, I know. Shorts and pants. So I have a pair of trackies, plain black, already gross, so can get disgusting. These are just great for camp. They're like chocolate colored linen pants. I have some linen shorts just with a really stretchy waist. These are like more going out pants. They have a wide leg and they're green, obviously. Pink shorts. a green skirt. I'm saying this stuff to you guys like you're colorblind. Flared pants. They're like a waffle material, so they're really soft and comfy. This skirt has a matching top as well. This also has a matching top. It's a little bit of a longer one. This is from Cotton On. It's just a mini brown skirt. My one and only pair of denim jeans, because I don't think it's going to be hot enough to wear jeans, but I've got to take some anyway. Plain white skirt and 2 pairs of shorts. I have a blue pair and a black pair, and that's pretty much everything for pants. Moving on to my tops. Tiny it is. Like, that doesn't fit, surely. I haven't tried it on. Probably not going to take it. I already have a couple. I have a black long sleeve knit, a tanned long sleeve knit. These are great just for camp, for colour days and things like that. A linen long sleeve button up. I have 2 short button-up shirts. This is a white one, and this is a light brown one. This is my favourite. It's the best fabric. It's from Pretty Rad, by the way. And then these are all the tops that I'm taking. Actually, not too many. I have a t-shirt. I have 2 of these. One is in brown. A charcoal t-shirt, normal t-shirt. This is a cropped t-shirt. This looks super comfy. Just a white high neck singlet. And then have a high neck copper rust and a black singlet. Gander singlet. And these are kind of more like going out day clothes when I'm not at camp. A corset, a black leather bandeau, this little green crop top. This is one of the matching tops to the skirts that I showed you. A black singlety top, the other matching top. This is a white, well, it's like an ivory singlet with lace. And then a high neck top with no back in it. Love that one. A pink bandeau, so cute. I love how vibrant that is. And then that's just the black version of that first high neck top that I showed you. Moving into jumpers. Like I said, it's going to be really hot, but yeah, I still feel like I need to have some warm things because I do get very cold. So I have this North Face jacket. Probably be really good. I'll probably put it in my carry-on so I can take it on the plane with me. I have this knit, this chunky knit, really good with just jeans. And that's probably, oh, and I have a like jumper with a hoodie. I'll probably take that as well. I'm not going to take those 2 jumpers, I've decided. Then I have a couple, oh, this is another shirt. It's the same as the copper one, just in blue. I have 2 oversized t-shirts. Like that. And then I also have these pajamas, but I will probably be buying pajamas at the airport because these are really old and I feel like treating myself to some fresh Peter Alexander pajamas. Moving into dresses. Most of these are from Billy J. I did a little bit of a shop on their website. This is like a bandeau at the top, and then there's a low back, and it's like nice and long. This has no, so like a cutout in the tummy and a knot tie. It's also about mid shin. So most of these dresses are quite modest, I would say. This is my favorite dress. It is this yellow flower pattern. Once again, nice and flowy down to the ground. This is an old one from City Beach. Very, very short, just kind of throw over swimmer kind of dress. And then I have a white and a black dress. This one's like a long sleeve and ties up at the back so it like cinches in the waist. And then this is the dress that I wore to my Eddinghausen's grad. It's really hard to explain. It's like a top off the shoulder and then joins in the middle and is a skirt. And that, my friends, is everything that I'm packing. Nice and quick. Yeah, so that's all that I'm packing. This is the personal item that I'm taking. So this is going to be like my handbag. And I also have my suitcase, as you guys can see here. And then I have the matching carry-on suitcase as well. So I will time lapse this now. Me putting it all into its packing cubes and back into the suitcase that is now not going to be touched until Friday morning, until I fly out. So yeah, I'm gonna pop you on time lapse and I will see you when I'm going through my hand luggage. I've just finished putting everything in this big suitcase. That took me a really long time. Oh, it's bloody heavy. I can't even lift that side up, so probably gonna have to take some stuff out. Oh yeah, I really don't want to put my shoes in there too. Let's take those out because that's just gotten this knit all dirty. Yeah, so I can still fit stuff on top of, can you even see? I can still fit stuff on top of that. That can go on top of that there. I've just got my shoes that need to obviously go in. The only other thing that I need to pack is my toiletries, which need to go in this big suitcase. But I can put some of those shoes into my carry-on because they weigh a lot, so they can go in there. But yeah, for the most part, this is all done. Thank gosh. Now onto the carry-on suitcase, which it just kind of has bits and bobs in there at the moment. So I'll show you what I've got packed for that. Okay, so my GoPro's on 7%, so let's make this quick. I have a hat. I have a neck pillow, very comfortable neck pillow. I have a book of affirmations. I have photos from home. I have a travel journal. I have a gimbal for filming videos. I have my new headphones, an adapter, thread for friendship bracelets at camp, an eye mask, emergency ponchos, an aux adapter for the plane, a bag weigher, my GoPro case, which will have my GoPro in it, all of my documents and passport and everything is in this bad boy. I also have, that's not supposed to be out, a pair of swimmers, and I will have a spare pair of clothes in that bag, as well as undies and small toiletries like a toothbrush and toothpaste and face wash, just so I can be covered if anything happens to my bag, which it won't. I'm also wanting to fit a blanket in. Not sure if this is the right one. I'm just going to take a blanket, whatever I can fit in, because I will get really cold on the plane. So that's all going to fit in this suitcase and my little backpack. So that is everything. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for being patient with the different lightings and the different angles and the camera issues. But I will see you